How's it going, everybody? This is Jose from the Stock Market 101 channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And as always, if you guys haven't checked out my latest videos, I suggest you go check them out real quick. But other than that, let's get right into it. Yet another red day in the markets. As you see, the Nasdaq down 0.42% today, the Dow Jones down 0.5%, and the S&P 500 down 0.55%. But in the beginning of the trade day, you see it was way more in the red, and since then it has been trending upwards but has not been able to go into the green. But the thing that is way more interesting to me is the cannabis sector. And as you know, the marijuana stocks have been having one of the worst days ever in this past 2 weeks since marijuana has been legalized. As you see, the MJ ETF is down 2.88%, but in the beginning was down around 8.44%, and for the past week is down massive, down 16.5%, with lows right here of being down more than 21%. This is one of the worst 5-day losing streaks since December 3rd of 2015. Let's look at Aurora Cannabis. Same thing with Aurora Cannabis, down 11.39%. One of the more popular cannabis companies out there. It's just down huge. Just look at the past week. Just in the past week, down 18.96%. Lows of 23.5%. I think in the past month it's been crazy. The highest it's around 11.68%, up 28% in the past month. But since this peak on October 15th, it just keeps trending down all the way to $7.82 so far. We're gonna have to see how long this is going to be going on for. And this company still down huge today, even though the company's stock was slated to begin trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ACB. Let's look at some other big players in the cannabis sector. Canopy Growth down 1.42%, but was down 10+% to just today, and in the past week down 18.24%. I believe this stock was trading up to like $50-something, $53, I believe, $56. It was up to $56, and it's all the way down to around 41 right now. Cronos Group down 2.11% today. In the past week, down 23.8%. Just a big sell-off since the last week, since the legalization date. New Age Beverages actually ended the day in the green, even though it was down 17%. It ended up trending all the way into the green of highs of around 10.8%, which is very nice. Nice to see some green in this sector. But in the past week it is down 21.54%, and in the past month it was at highs of $8.95, with now it being at $5.10. That is a big sell-off. Oh, look at that, Tilray is down 1.48%, but after hours it is down 14.43%. That is insane. But why is Tilray going down? What the hell? I think this might be an error, because I just checked right here and it seems that it's doing all right after hours. It isn't down that much. That's crazy though. But Tilray is still down. And let's look at the past month. It was lows of around $106. Just seems like yesterday it was up to around $300, and now it's right around the $100 mark, losing 2/3 of its value in just what seems a couple of weeks. Another one that's up in the green is IGC, up 16%, so that's good. But after hours it is trending down quite a bit. This marijuana sector is having a broad sell-off in despite of early indications of strong demand since the full legalization in Canada. Just every single cannabis company is down quite a bit. MedMen was down quite a bit today. T-God down quite a bit. Afria was down quite a bit in the beginning of the day, but ended in the green. But just in the past week, everything just been in the red. Over almost every single stock down 20% in the past week in the marijuana sector. But one stock that was up big today is Tesla. And as you see, Tesla is up 12.72% to 293. And it was at lows of $263 today. And if you got in around this time today, you made a nice gain, because you know Tesla is a super volatile stock. It's been trading around this time for a while, so if you got in around these past few days, you just made a nice gain this week. And why is Tesla up today? As you see here, Tesla stock skyrockets after legendary short seller goes long. Tesla Inc. stock rallied more than 9% today after famed short seller Citron Research turned long on it, saying that the Model 3 is a proven hit and that many of the warning signs about the Silicon Valley car maker have proven to be insignificant. So some great news for those who are in Tesla for the long term, like myself. But this stock is still volatile. You'll never know if next week this stock is going to go trend back down to 250, or it can go back up to the 350, 380 mark, which it was at its all-time highs. So we're going to have to see what happens with Tesla. I mean, this stock is predictable, guys. It was going to be hard for Tesla to break that $250 resistance line. And if it did, it could have dropped all the way down to 190. So that was a great opportunity to buy some. If you didn't, there's always going to be more buying opportunities with Tesla since it's a pretty volatile stock. But overall, what I've seen today is that in the beginning of the day, it was a great time to purchase companies because the markets were down 2+%. The indices were down 2+%. The Nasdaq, the S&P, the Dow Jones, and since the morning, they've been trending upwards. So hopefully you guys picked up some shares of your favorite companies. But other than that, guys, that's the stock market update for today. Please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. Let me know down in the comments if you guys purchased any shares of any companies today, because today was a good time to buy in, just get a little bit of stocks on a discount. But other than that, I'll see you guys later.